Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Unit 3. Community Service.
Unit 3. Page 26. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Today on Global Citizen, we interview Mai and Phup from Haibachong School. Hi Mai, could you tell us about community service?
It's the work you do for the benefits of the community.
Have you ever done volunteer work?
Yes, I'm a member of Be a Buddy, a programme that helps street children. Last year we provided evening classes for 50 children.
Wonderful! What else have you done?
We've asked people to donate books and clothes to the children.
Wow, that certainly makes a difference. And you, Phup, you're from Go Green?
Yes, it's a non-profit organisation that protects the environment. We've encouraged people to recycle glass, cans and paper. We've cleaned streets and lakes.
Did you start a community garden project last month?
Oh yes, so far we've planted